Imagine your car broke down, and with just one Google search, you find the best Richmond, Virginia auto repair shop instantly.
Sounds crazy? It's real. Google's new AI mode is not just smart, it's a game changer for local businesses. Here's the twist. America's Best Shops marketing agency cracked the code, linking AI magic directly to Richmond's auto repair shops.
Now, these shops pop up like never before, boosting their business overnight. But wait, this isn't just about wins for mechanics.
It's about you getting faster, smarter service. Picture your car fixed by a top tech expert who Google AI helped you find in seconds. Behind the scenes, AI analyzes tons of data, reviews, and customer stories to highlight shops you can trust. What if every search was this powerful?
And what happens when AI spreads this model nationwide? Richmond is just the beginning. So, next time you Google auto repair, ask yourself, how is AI changing your local world? Ready to discover the future of car care? Drop a comment if you want AI to turbo boost your local businesses.